Hello students, my name is Ankit and I have been teaching English for the last 5 years. Students, as you know that the level of questions of English language has been increasing day by day in all the exams. And the new pattern of questions has been introduced. Students, in my course, I will guide you how you have to grasp the concept. And I will guide you how you can practice the questions. Moreover, I will teach you vocabulary with the new techniques. For this students, Plutus Academy is launching a new batch students. Demos will be conducted on 5th and 6th June and the batch is starting from 7th June. So students, for right guidance, do join us.